Testing, testing. For formatting cells, you're going to find most of the controls you want in the Home tab. So make sure you have that open if you don't already. To format a cell, just select the cell or cells or rows or columns that you want to format. And in the font section here, you can change the font, change the size. You can do bold, italic, underline. You can also give the text a color with this button here. Just click on the arrow and you'll get a drop down. Or you can give a fill to the cell, which is a background color. Each of these sections in the Home tab has a little button in the bottom right corner. It gives you a pop-out screen, and it might look more familiar to you if you're coming from Office 2003. The alignment group lets you change the alignment. You can have left, center, right. You can have an indent. If you have a cell that contains a long sentence, you can turn on wrap text, and this will take that long sentence and wrap it around so you can still see the whole thing inside the cell. The number group here lets you specify what kind of a number your data is. If I wanted to change this column, for example, from currency to percentages, I can choose from the drop-down menu here. If you get these pound hash marks, it just means your column isn't wide enough, so you can resize it there. Or you can choose from the little buttons here. I'm going to change it back to money. You can also add or remove decimal places by clicking the buttons here. If you want more number options, you can use the pop-out screen here. And this gives you a lot more options when it comes to date. If I want to change my dates here to hide the year, I would go to the pop-out screen, choose date, and then I have a whole list of date formats to choose from. And I can choose one without a year, click OK, and it'll remove it from the dates here.